Every fire season, we collectively hold our breath, hoping that someone doesn't spark the next devastating wildfire here in Prescott National Forest. We get out on the trails or in our favorite recreation areas and see them trashed. It's easy to get wrapped up in this hopelessness. But here at the Highlands Center, every day we see small glimmers of hope about our future. We see that hope when adults cram into a room, eager to learn about fire ecology from a local expert. We see this when campers with oversized backpacks learn about leaving no trace on the land and practice by picking up small pieces of plastic as they walk. Every day presents its own hopeful story here at the Highlands Center. But we're having to turn people away from those presentations to our nature camps to school programs because we simply don't have the space. As we enter the final week of our annual appeal, if you've been considering giving a gift, now is the time to do so. Thank you for helping us build the next chapter of the Highlands Center.